Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3251 printer driver download and installations and how to connect. So guys, first you can see this is and use any browsers to type in the search box and then hit enter. After that you can see search result. So first this website epsonsco.in, this official site, so you can download. You just click to download, click, then guys scroll down and extract driver. This is printer driver and click to download. Scroll down again, then I agree, and this Windows 11 support, and then click to download. After that you can see it will start downloading. Then it is completed, just single click to open, then click to yes, then click OK, then click to OK, then I agree, then click OK. Now you have two options. You just on your printer. If you want to install the printer via your network, so connect your LAN cable. Otherwise you have to connect via USB. So connect USB to your desktop laptop to your printer via printer USB cable. Okay, select this. So first method, you have to connect network, so click to search and search printer. After that click to OK. If you know about your printer IP address, so enter this. If you don't know, select this and then click to OK, and after that click to OK. It will scan like that. This is your router, this is printer, and this is laptop. Okay, and now second method, we can USB. So just click to USB and it will detect via USB cable. So next to install both method, and if you are getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support you. Thank you.